Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi, I'm Emma. Let me take you through a typical week in my life, filled with different activities and special moments. Monday is the start of the week, and it's when I go back to school after the weekend. I love school because I get to see all my friends and learn new things. Tuesday is the day my father comes home a little late because he's part of the management team and they have a recurring meeting every Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday is exciting because my big brother has soccer practice. He's really good at it, and we all go to watch him play. Thursday is special because it's lasagna day. We have lasagna almost every Thursday. It's a tradition, and my mom makes the best lasagna ever. It's one of my favorite meals. When Friday arrives, we all look forward to a relaxing evening. After dinner, we reflect on the week and enjoy the start of the weekend. I usually spend this time with a good book. Saturday is movie day in our family. We head to the theater, grab some popcorn, and watch a movie together. It's a fun way to spend time as a family and enjoy a good story on the big screen. Sunday is family day. We visit our grandmother and grandfather. These days are so special, we share stories, play games, and create wonderful memories together. That's a glimpse of my week, each day filled with its own activities and moments that make life unique and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me on this little journey through my weekdays. See you all again next time. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.